So, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever time of the day it is for you. For me, it is, what does the phone say? 10 to 1. And you join me on a Saturday, of all days. And I am off to Castle Donington, specifically to I believe it's Donington House. I think it's the home of Norton. They have what is it? The Burnout event on. And I know a few people that have gone up there. And they sent me a text this morning telling me I should get up there. So that's where I'm off. And you may recognise from what I recorded as the last video, that junction. So we'll get up there. I'll try and take some video and pictures, definitely some pictures. And yeah, I'll see you in a minute. Good afternoon.
How are you, buddy?
A bit warm.
Are you here for Burnout?
Yes, I am.
Have you got a wristband?
No, they said you could get them on the gate.
Yes, you can, mate. If you go where he is,
Yep.
he'll direct you down the dirt track.
I like the sound of that.
Follow the dirt track all the way down.
Yep.
And then when you get to the back of the buildings, straight ahead of you, keep going all the way up, you will see the ticket office on your left.
Smashing.
Okay, buddy?
Cheers. I just said to him, dirt track, lovely. He weren't fucking joking.
4 laps. A little bit more of a gap this time, but it's still tight. Right, trail throughout the race, but the bend, and it is Davey Todd, the fastest qualifying in the first. Good lead here, it's over a second. And he'll take the checkered flag and the Donington Championship. Ladies and
get your motor running, head out on the highway, looking for adventure, and whatever comes our way. Yeah, darling, go make it happen, take the world.
So join me not on the way home from Burnout, but rather the long way round to McDonald's. I came back from Burnout and I started recording the outro for this, but the battery died. I didn't think to change it before I left, so there was a half shot once I was just remake it. So yeah, I mean, it was a very good weekend. I had a whale of a time. I've never really been into the road racing, although it wasn't racing, it was time trials, but technically a form of racing. And yeah, I enjoyed myself. The noise, oh god, you don't need me to tell you, I don't think. But yeah, I planned to only go up today, which is a Sunday, but I ended up going up. Now, I think I explained in the intro that I was going up for the weekend. I was going to buy a weekend ticket and ride home, and in the end I didn't. I ended up a few people that I know had took a 6-man tent for 2 people, so they slept in the bedroom bit, and I just went home, got my sleeping bag, I changed the clothes and some toiletries, and ended up sleeping in sort of like the main area. Just stuck myself off in a corner. And yeah, I mean, I think for me personally, the camping is also what made it. So I will leave it there. I will see you in the next one. Ride safely and enjoy yourself. Take care.